Morning students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard math subject. Today's topic is chapter 4 measurements. In your previous class you have learned measurement of length and to change meters to centimeters. To change meters to centimeters, we have solved some of the problems changed to meter to centimeter. And today you are going to learn about the measurement of weight. Measurement of weight. Let's start the topic measurement of weight. We weigh things to see how heavy they are. We use a balance to find out how heavy a thing is. So students, measurement of weight. We weigh things to see how heavy they are. Yes, we weight the things. So how much heavy they are. How much the weight of the thing is. So we use a balance to find out how heavy a thing is. So we use a balance. We using a balance how heavy a thing is. We measure weight in kilograms, kg, and grams in g. So we measure weight in students for to find out length. We are using meters and centimeters like that only to measure weights in kilograms and grams. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. See here, 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Or you can say 1 kg. It means kilogram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So to measure weight, so we measure weight in kilograms and grams. Kilo means 1000. So a kilogram means 1000 grams. So students, here kilo means we are using kilograms to measure the weight or gram to measure the weight. So here kilo means meaning of kilo is equals to 1000. Kilo means equals to 1000. So it means kilogram means 1000 grams. Yes, meaning of kilo is 1000. So kilogram means automatically 1000 grams. So see here students, balance is given. We can measure the weight from a balance by balancing in this tool. So here look at this picture, 5 kg. This is the stone of 5 kg. 5 kg means 5 kilogram. And this is the stone of 1 kilogram, 1 kg. This is the small stone of 500 g. 500 g means 500 grams. 200 g means 200 gram. This is the small stone of 100 g. 100 means 100 grams. These are used to balance the weight. These are used to measure the weights of a thing. These are used to measure the weights of a thing. Larger weights are measured in kilograms like rice, wheat, potatoes and sugar are usually weighed in kilograms. So students, larger weights, larger means which are the things which are heavier, which are large in weight, which are very heavier, that things are measured in kilograms. For example, rice, wheat, potatoes and sugar are usually weighed in kilograms. So students, Larger weights means heaviest weight or larger in things that are measured in kilograms. This is the heaviest one: rice, wheat, potatoes and sugar. These are heavy weights. Larger weights, these are measured in kilograms. We measure the weight of our bodies in kilogram. We measure the weight of our body is also in kilograms. Our body weight is also measured in kg, kilograms. Small weights are measured in grams. So students, small weights are measured in grams. They are not much larger or not much heavier. That weights are measured in grams. Heavier weights or larger weights are measured in kg, kilograms, and smaller weights are measured in grams. For example, a pack of toothpaste, a cake of soap are usually measured in grams. So, larger weights are measured in kilograms, like heaviest weight like rice, wheat, potatoes, sugars, and smaller weights are measured in grams. For example, toothpaste, that are the very small, that has the very smallest weight, very small in size and also in weight. And soap also very lightweight, very small in weight, so that are usually measured in grams, like toothpaste and soap. To change kg into gram, we multiply by 1000, that is place 3 zeros at the end. Thus 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 gram. So students, to change kilogram, kg into gram, this is the formula. To change in the kg to gram, we multiply by 1000. It is the formula to change the kilogram into gram. We have to multiply by 1000. That is place 3 zeros at the end. 1000 means that is place 30. We have to place 30 at the end. For example, see here. For example, 3 kg is given. Now we have to convert 3 kg. We have to change 3 kg into gram. So 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 gram. It became 3000 gram. To change kg and gram into grams, we multiply the kg by 1000 and then add the grams. Thus 7 kg 350 gram is equal to 7000 gram plus 350 gram is equal to 7350. So students, this is the today you have learned the topic of measurement of weight. So problems related to the measurement of weight we will solve, we will practice in our next class. So it's time for the homework. Solve any 3 problem of your own, change to kilogram to grams. Solve your any 3 problem of your own in your maths homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.